Hey, I'm getting a call. It's from Flower. Hello? Flower, what's up?
Hey, I just want to know, why did you quit?
Because the boss is going to be like so mean to me. I can't do that. I couldn't do it anymore, so I just decided to quit.
Well, I'm coming over and I'm bringing ice cream. Do not move.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, it's Flower. Come in.
Here, I brought your favorite ice cream.
Oh, thanks.
No problem.
Did you get yourself some ice cream?
We're going to talk about the boss.
Okay.
So, what did he say to you?
Well, he said that if I keep on being late, then I'll be fired. So I just decided that I'm just like, oh, well, you know what? I'm quitting. Was he mad at me?
You want to know something?
What?
You want to know something? That wasn't always him. He used to be kind. When someone was late, he would give them a second chance, even if it kept happening. But just one day, out of nowhere, he got a call from his parents saying his brother died, and all of a sudden, he just went insane and then started being mean to everyone.
Wow.
Yeah. It only happened because of his brother dying in a car crash.
But why don't you tell him that he'll always be in his heart?
I did, and you want to know what he did?
What?
He fired me for like 2 weeks.
Whoa.
So yeah, we don't talk about his brother at work.
Okay. We won't talk about him. Okay. Where is she? Wait, oops, I forgot to change. Where is that Flower? Where have you been?
Hey, Bob.
Where have you
I
been?
was just talking to a friend.
You do that again and you're fired. You do that again and you're fired.
I quit.
Good. We don't even want you here anyway.
Bye.
Bye. I hate her. She's so annoying.
Enjoy having no employees.
Oh God, what have I done? My brother passed away. Don't even think about that. I hate her. What a nice day to water plants. Huh? Why are you crying?
It was the boss.
Ugh.
He was mean to me. And then I just quit.
It's okay.
I had enough of his things. I had enough of his stuff.
It's okay. How about now that you should work at the ice cream store? The boss there is much more nicer.
Yeah. Let's go see if they're hiring. Hold on, I'm gonna go change.
Okay. Oh, there you are. That was really quick.
Yeah, I wanted to change really quick. I want to see how nice this new boss is.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I just get my bike. Let's go. Ah, there's the old hospital. I wonder how the boss. I wonder how the boss is doing in the hospital without any employees. Hello, can we get a job here? Hello, can we get a job here, please? Oh, of course. Of course.
Oh, sure thing.
Okay, let's go change.
We're hiring.
Okay, yay. Let's go get our.
Change.
We gotta get. Okay, you change first.
Jack, wear the pink outfit with a skirt. Okay?
I wonder how Flower Flower likes it. Ooh, I like it. Now let me change real quick.
Okay. Ooh, I like yours.
Thank you. Now,
You can do the register, and I'll hand out ice cream.
Okay. Ugh.
That was a stressful day.
Just go change. Ugh, what a stressful day that was, right? Just go change.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Okay.
A big stressful day. Wow. And they said the job would be so cool. Ugh. Just that was probably a big fat lie. Ugh. But at least, oh, I better go change too. Ugh. Finally, I get to get back in this outfit. Come on, let's get our bikes. Let's go.
That was a stressful day.
I know.
I almost fainted.
So did I. It was so sweaty. So did I. It was so sweaty.
Take a break.
Yeah, we didn't get any lunch break. We didn't get any lunch break.
I know, right? Like, what the heck?
I know. You should.
Bye, Marigold.
Bye. A big stressful day. Flower and I. We couldn't do it.
Gonna turn off my lights.
Couldn't do it. That we stayed up all night. Really. We literally stayed up all night.
I'm gonna get some rest.
I know. It's just like I'm gonna take off my blinds and see if I can see what Marigold's doing. Oh wait, she has blinds on. I can't see what she's doing.
Oh wait, hold on. I can turn off. There. I'm sleeping.
Ugh! Do we really have to get up? Another stressful day at work. Better go change. Gotta go change.
Open my blinds. Can't believe I have. Fell down my stairs. Can't believe I have to wake up at 6.
I know. Ugh. I gotta beat Marigold. I gotta meet Flower out.
Get changes.
Ugh. I have to meet Flower. I wonder what she's doing. I'll go and knock on her door. Ugh, I fell in the pool. Oh no, I'm getting my pants wet. Flower! Knock, knock. Are you there?
I'm coming. Oh, my lights off down here.
I've already changed. Go change real quick.
You're still in your work outfit.
No, I changed last night. I just put these on before I came to your place.
Yeah, these are my pajamas. I forgot to put my work outfit on.
Let's go. Put it on real quick.
I'm going to put on my work outfit.
Go put it on real quick.
Put on my work outfit. You can get something to eat in my house.
Okay.
I don't really mind.
We can't be late for work. Well, I mean, the boss at the ice cream place is really sweet. And we're lucky we don't work at the...
I don't think he would mind if we get like a little bit late or like just once late. I don't think he would mind.
Yeah, I don't think...
Really nice.
I don't...
He lets us have like a lot of breaks too. He's really sweet.
You changed, right?
Yeah, I changed.
Let's go to the ice cream store now.
Okay.
I just gotta get my bike.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get my bike.
You had to
Ah! Oh no!
I'll get my bike.
Okay, let's get our bike.
No, you got your work outfit wet.
Don't worry, it's waterproof. Let's go.
Okay,
They told us our work outfits are waterproof, so if we fall in some water, they won't get wet.
so how was your night?
It was okay. I mean, I was very tired
I
first.
just noticed something while we were going down the hill. Look at the front wheel. It's like levitating.
I know, that's like so weird. We're at our.
Okay, well,
Oh, we have.
wrong place. I went to the hospital.
Oh no! Get away from that mean guy's hospital.
I thought that was still my job.
I know, that was weird, right?
I forgot that wasn't my job. I'll turn on the light.
Okay.
And then,
Okay.
we're opened.
In the stairs. Ugh.
Let's wait until nighttime. Let's wait until.
Oh no. Are you okay? Are you okay? Is she okay? I'm sorry, customer. Hold on. You okay? Wake up. We have a customer.
What happened?
You fainted. Wake up. We have a customer. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Give your ice cream to them. Give it to your customer, okay? Flower, give it to your customer.
I just had a little accident.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Flower and Marigold. No problem. Have a great day. That was kind of hard, right, Flower? Okay, there was an accidental fire in the other area next door, so you're all free to go home. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, shoot! Ah! Oh no, that's really burning. Okay, go. Go. I don't even want to see that.
Grab your bike. Let's go.
I don't even want to see that. That huge fire was literally.
Oh, no, wait, we're still in our work outfit.
Doesn't matter. We left our
work outfits.
We left our normal outfits.
We can change when we get home.
Yeah, we didn't. We left our work outfits at home. We left our normal outfits at home. So let's go change and we can go to the park. Okay, Flower, I'm ready.
I'm right here. Who is that?
I don't know who that is, but let's just ignore him.
Let's get our bikes and go before he starts talking, because we don't know him.
Yeah, let's just ignore him.
Oh my god, he's following me.
Ah, let's go! Ah, Flower, be careful! He won't leave us alone.
Okay. He got away. We're good.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's get to the park.
Let's go. Actually, let's go to the world. Let's go to the pool. Ah, he's coming back. Ah.
Just swim. Just keep riding. Just keep riding. Just keep going.
Is that from Finding Dory? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Is that copyright?
Where'd you go?
Is that copyright?
No, it's not. Oh my gosh, there's my old look over there. Before I changed my look. Okay, so let's just change it to our swimsuits real quick.
Wait. We gotta go find the safe spot. I know a safe spot. I'm going up here. Run in here to change.
Okay, I'm gonna go behind the slide to change. Okay, I changed out of my outfit. Okay, let's jump in the pool.
I'm already in.
Okay, I'm gonna slide down. Whee! Ah! Whee! I don't know how our ponytails are staying in. Like, they should probably come out. You can't even see my kitty ears. Ponytails being...
Here.
I don't know how my ponytails are staying in.
Yeah, mine either. Yeah. My hair got wet. Wait, now my screen's looking down. Hold on. There we go.
Okay, so...
Hold on, no, wait, let me finish. I'm gonna do this. Wait.
Okay, so let's go jump in the water. Wait, what? Ah. My hair came out.
Mine too.
I did.
We should head home. It's getting late.
Yeah, we should. Let's go change back real quick. Let's go change back real quick. I'm gonna change behind this tree. Ugh.